कॉन्सेप्ट है तो मैं हायरार्की पे हायर लेवल पे जाकर उस पे फोकस करूंगी. So it all depends upon the kind of content that I'm teaching. Teaching must be planned. All of us know that before we enter the class, we have our lesson plan ready. That this is what we are going to do. Lesson plan में बहुत important होता है कि content हमने क्या करना है, methodology में कौन सी use कर रही हूँ पढ़ाने के लिए, and what is the objective. So these are things which have to be very clear with the teacher. Teaching needs effective reciprocal communication, जो कि interaction ही है कि reciprocity होनी चाहिए. अगर मैंने आपको कुछ पढ़ाया है, कुछ बताया है, तो आपका पूरा हक बनता है, आप उसमें वैल्यू एडिशन कर सकते हो, उस पे मुझसे सवाल पूछ सकते हो. So it has to be a reciprocal process. It doesn't just have to be one directional or unidirectional. It has to be a two-directional process. Whatever that is being taught can be questioned, can be modified, can be put across with different words, but the meaning of the material should not change. If the meaning of the material changes completely, then the content that I'm teaching takes on a different role. It can be associated with another material, but उसका पूरी अपनी जो meaning है, उसकी जो पूरी effectiveness है, वो पूरी तरह से नहीं बदलनी चाहिए. So these are things that we need to keep in mind. Teaching is the motivation to learn. To what extent can I motivate my students to learn depends upon, again, the kind of processes that I use to teach my students. Teaching is guidance. Yes, I'm trying to tell my students, I'm trying to guide my students into the process of applying the knowledge that I am teaching. आप उस content को कहाँ apply कर सकते हो, आप किस हद तक उसको अपनी day to day life में use कर सकते हो. All these are aspects of teaching. Teaching is a professional activity. I'm also training my students, my children, to take on profession. They may take on the profession related to what I'm teaching them. They may take on a profession not related to what I'm teaching them. It does not matter. But when I'm telling them the application of the knowledge, somewhere I'm preparing them for professional activity. अगर मैं बच्चे को maths में प्रॉपर तरीके से उसकी एप्लीकेशन बता रही हूँ, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये जो मैथ्स है, जो मैंने उसको बेसिक लेवल पे केजी या फर्स्ट या सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड पे लेवल, ये उसको अकाउंटेंसी सही तरीके से सिखा देगा, ये उसको इकोनॉमिक्स सही तरीके से, ये उसको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस की परिभाषा सही तरीके से समझा देगा. सो इट इज अ प्रोफेशनल एक्टिविटी which the child as an adult can take it up. Teaching is an art as well as science. Yes. When we talk about it being an art, it is open-ended. There could be so many other concepts that can be added to it. When we talk about teaching as a science, then it is science, it is not open-ended. For example, 2 plus 2 can never be 6, it has to be 4. So there are certain concepts which are not open-ended. When we look at subjects of humanities, such as my subject, psychology, or any other subject, it is more open-ended. There are so many other concepts that can be included while teaching these subjects. Then teaching helps attain information, knowledge, and skill. Yes, teaching provides it, as I said, it provides knowledge which can be applied. There could be more information that can be added to that knowledge, and eventually over a period of time, a potential or an ability can also be developed as a skill. So all these are aspects or nature of teaching.